Hello and welcome to the advanced tax of the Grit project, your Git project. So let's look at the instruction. I'm sorry for that. So let's look at the instruction here. So the instruction here is we should merge what we've done in the branch update script to our main on your what's it called on your terminal on your GitHub. The main could be the master or whichever name. You just know it's going to denote it with a name superior to the other branches you create. So okay, so now let's go back to our terminal. Then I'll do ls. Okay, cd git. Okay. Alright, so now I'm in my 0x0 git. There's the project inside your repo that you created. You have this directory, which is the folder you're working with. So now for me to see the branch I'm working with, that will be git branch. Okay, so I'm in the main branch. So if you are in your update script, the other branch, let's do that. So let's say you are in this other branch and you want to perform a merge. That's if you want to merge what's going on. Okay, so I already did some things before I made this video. So you just use the git checkout to move to the other branch. So if you're in the other branch, this is the update script and you want to go back to your main, so you just do git main. So right now currently I'm still in the main branch. Don't mind this error because I already performed some git merge stuff. So now the task here is to merge your update script, the branch, what you've done, the changes you made there to your to the main or master branch. So in order to do that, you just have to type the command git merge. Currently you are working on the main branch, so you do git merge. Then the name of the branch you want to merge with the branch you're working on, that will be update script. So once you run this command, then it's going to give you the error they showed you here. It's going to give you conflict merge conflict. I've done that, and that's why it's not showing me the error right now. So now in order for me to fix this error, then I have to go into the folder and the file where the conflict is. So, and that's bash. So it's telling me that there is a conflict in the ALX file. So we're going to do vi to see what exactly is going on. So you can see now. Okay, so what's it called? Let me go check my GitHub to see the changes that ought to be in the case. I don't know which one I'm to remove. I think it's okay. I need to remove this head over here. I need to remove this head. I can't remember what I'm to remove. So you just remove this one. I think it's the ALX school. Okay, let's try this and see what will happen. Okay, so let's git add it. So once you've corrected that, you git add, then you git commit. Let me check whether there is any commit message that we were given. So after you've done that and you fix the merging, okay, alright, so you can just put any commit message. Okay, so that done, then you can git push. So if you've not corrected the merge error, you won't be able to push it. So all you need to do is to go correct the error before you push to your GitHub. So that's for this task. That's how to resolve it. Anything you see, you just have to remove it and leave just one context. I say one content that no, it's telling us that okay, the ALX, I forgot saying, I can't remember. The ALX school and ALX school is cool. There are two different content in their files. The file in the object script contains the ALX school is cool. That's for the one in the object script. That's the other branch, and in the other branch it's saying ALX school. So it's telling you that okay, these two things, they are not the same. So it's telling you I'm having trouble merging these two files together because the contents are not the same. So please fix the error. Which changes do you want to leave behind, the one you want to push to your repo? So that's what it's telling you. Then you have to edit that out yourself and remove the equal and the append sign, which is the less than and the greater than. You just have to remove that. That's what I did, and I was able to commit and push. So now let's go back to the other task, which is never push too much. So create a git ignore file and define a rule to never push any files that has this symbol right here. So then okay, so we're going to go back to so right now where are we? Okay, you cd back to our file, then you do pwd to see where you're working on, so you can see when the directory we created. So you just have to vi then the name of the file, which is the git ignore. So creating a rule is pretty simple. You can just Google search that to see what the answer is, or if you want to know more about that, you can just do your research on it. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to put the answer here. So we're doing vi your insert. So the task there is never to push any file that has that symbol that you should do. So that symbol denotes some changes that you've made and you've not saved them. So those changes are on the buffer. So let's say accidentally when I was just typing in here, then somehow my phone got turned off. So it's going to save this file in a buffer. And in case I want to go back to it, I think those stuff are saved on the RAM or whatever. So that's what the symbol means. So those files will be stored with that symbol in front of them, or .swp, to let you know that okay, you didn't save this, then I created a backup for you so you won't lose your file. So in order for us not to push any file like that, then you use the git ignore. So the git ignore means ignore this type of files. So to create a rule, so all files means asterisk. The asterisk in most of the languages I know, what the asterisk means is all. It denotes all. Anything containing that, then you come here and you put this over here, then you do your escape, then you save it, then you git add it, and so after doing this, you won't see this file, this dot get ignore file because of the dot in front of it. You won't see it once you do your ls, but if you want to see it, you just have to do ls -a, then you're going to see your dot get ignored. You can see there are some other folders here too that you won't see using your ls alone. So ls-a will let you see everything, just like list all everything in that directory. I want to see everything. So then after git add, then you can git commit, then you push it. So that's it for the Git project. If you have any question, you can drop them, and for now, goodbye. So just go back to your ALX and do your check thing, check your code. You come here and then check your code to see whether you're right or you're wrong. Alright, that'll be all for now. Have a nice day.